Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at l'Université Ali University of Blida in Algeria. Today we're going to present our seventh lecture titled What is Trading Strategy? So I have divided my seventh lecture into the following elements as follows. What is trading strategy? What are the main types of trading strategy? Language activities including building vocabulary and final assessment including quizzes, tests, exams. So what is a trading strategy? Trading strategy is a technique used by traders in a stock market to buy and sell shares during trading hours. Trading strategy refers to traders' approach to buying and selling stocks during trading sessions. What are the main types of trading strategy? There are several trading strategies. These include the following: long and short equity strategy, news trading, days trading, scalping, and social trading. Language activities. The word strategy as a noun, as a countable noun, means a plan that is intended to achieve a particular purpose. The government's economic strategy, for examples, the document sets out the government's new strategy. The company's financial strategy is not working. Last element, your assessment. So please, learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.